Mini Muallim. Let's learn counting. 1 finger. 2 1 2 2 fingers. 3 1 2 3 3 fingers. 4 1 2 3 4 4 fingers. 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 fingers. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 fingers. 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 fingers. 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 fingers. 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 fingers. 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 fingers. Thanks for watching.